Hey besties, I've not told you Happy New Year in person, so happy New Year. So today I'm going to be showing you guys the for her sets, the for her gift sets that just got out, and I'm so excited guys. So if you're someone looking for an amazing gift to give to your partner, or you're a bride looking to give to your bridesmaids, this is the perfect gift for you. And no matter who you are, you can customize it in your preferred color, like whatever color your wedding colors are, or if you're giving your partner, you can do it in her favorite color. Guys, that's how intentional this package is, and I'm going to show you guys everything that is in this goodness. The first item in this for her gift set is the heart-shaped bag. Guys, this is the tote bag and it is reversible. That's one thing I love about it. You can use one side and you can use the other side as well. You can use it for a long time. It's sustainable. Guys, this is what it looks like on the other side, and it can come in whatever color you want, like I said earlier. Now the next thing we have in this set is the travel makeup bag. So I'm going to put a video up here or here to show you guys, how it works, how much it can take. It can take a lot of things. This bag, it is amazing. This is what it looks like. It's a boxy shape and it has these ruffle details. It is amazing, guys. So this is the travel makeup bag that comes with the for her gift set. Now the next thing we have is this scrunchie. If I can have a scrunchie business where I'm going to just be, selling only scrunchies, trust me, I'll have that company. And this is the scrunchie that is going to be in your package. Now the next item is my favorite item, and it is a personalized, customized trinket tray. Now you can personalize it, look, with the name of your partner, name of your bridesmaids. Guys, that's how personalized this is. It's not just a random trinket tray. This is intentional, it is sustainable, and it is eco-friendly as well. It is in partnership with Zenith Studio. It is a trinket tray decor, and who doesn't love something that is personalized? Then we also have this bag tag. It is heart-shaped as well, just like the main bag. This is heart-shaped as well. It has a closure right here so that it can fit your lip gloss, your mini perfume. It is actually spacious for its size. And when you order the gift set, you're going to get either a free mini perfume or a free lip gloss right here. Can you guys see? Still holds the shape, still holds everything, and there's still space for something else. Maybe your AirPods or something. That's what we have right here. And how you're going to use this is you're going to put it on the handle of your bag, basically. So you're going to go all around just like this, and you're going to put it in. Can you see? That's it. And then lastly, you're going to get a personalized card that you can give out to whoever you're giving your gift to, basically. I hope you guys love this gift set. If you would like to order it, you can order it by sending a DM right now. Bulk orders from 2 and above come at a discounted rate. It will be in the caption down below. I hope you guys love it. Please, please, please send in your orders. I am available and ready to make it happen for you.